there are so many people right now listening to us who may be thinking that, I want to be an business person, but I don't have that kind of education, I don't have that kind of experience, I don't know where to get a store, or I don't know where to get that whole thing of how to run a business and all that. But there's a thirst to learn, and this course, this business is giving us a lifetime training. The whole system works in a way that the training we get is actually worth $18,000, and the time it takes is 2 years of training. Not in this business. If you go physically, you go to that university in USA, and you study the whole course. It will be taking 2 years plus $18,000. So age, because of age factor, because of location, everybody is not able to go to that place and do their higher studies. You don't need to worry about it. If you really have a thirst to do something different, like design your own life, I want to design my own life, my time freedom, my money freedom. And I have seen one thing: when a person has money, people really respect them, and the moment they lack money and they'll say, please lend me this much, I'm in trouble, they lose their respect and people don't honor them. So if you are a person who thinks that I want to learn more, I want to learn what is business, like Nandini said, I did not know the meaning of ROI. Now I know the full form of ROI correctly. So many things. This training site actually gives us such a vast understanding, information, and they're up to date. Like they keep themselves, the whole thing is up to date. You can learn it by your own, take your own time, learn it. Nobody is going to force you, did you do this or did you not do this. Like everybody is spending so much of time on social media. Use that time and build, design your own life. So there may be some uh, like some time where you won't be much active in social media because you are learning. But suddenly when you present yourself, you'll be a different person, like pupa to a butterfly. You'll be a different person, wonderful, beautiful, and that beauty of your life is going to attract people. Oh, when you speak, people will be attracted towards you, and they'll click on your video and see what are they talking. And that attraction comes because you have been transformed. You spend time to design your life and you have never been in denial. Like the moment you become a beautiful butterfly, definitely people who don't know you, who know you, even your family, is going to get attracted. What mom is doing? It's wonderful, I also want to know about it. So this is what I wanted to share, that this is a time of learning. You can learn, and the wonderful system is providing us with such a vast learning experience. So God bless you. Thank you, Nandini. Thank you, everyone.